ESPN is about to shake things up in a big way, and fans are already buzzing with questions. Who will replace Molly Qerim on First Take? The network's decision-making process is anything but straightforward, and here's where it gets intriguing. ESPN is hosting a 30 to 45-day tryout period, inviting multiple candidates to step into Qerim's shoes alongside the iconic Stephen A. Smith. But here's the twist. The new host might not even be someone currently working at ESPN. Burke Magnus, ESPN's president of content, revealed to The Athletic that while they're considering in-house talent, they're also keeping their options wide open. And this is the part most people miss. Qerim's departure wasn't exactly planned this way. Her exit became public sooner than expected after a report surfaced, forcing her to address it prematurely on Instagram. She gracefully announced her decision to leave, calling it a chapter she's ready to close after nearly a decade of hosting the show. Qerim's heartfelt message highlighted the honor of working with top sports voices and connecting with fans. But it also hinted at her desire to explore new opportunities. Magnus confirmed that while ESPN wanted her to stay, the two sides weren't aligned on her future role, making a clean break the easiest path forward. But here's where it gets controversial. Was Qerim's departure truly her choice, or did ESPN's reluctance to redefine her role push her out? Magnus suggests she wanted to turn the page, but some fans are questioning whether the network undervalued her contributions. Meanwhile, Stephen A. Smith has temporarily taken over hosting duties. But the real question remains, who will step into this high-profile role next? Will it be a fresh face from outside ESPN, or someone already familiar to viewers? And more importantly, can anyone truly fill Qerim's shoes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Who do you think should take the helm? And do you think ESPN handled this transition fairly? The debate is just getting started.